Hey there, it's Brittany, and it's time for the October Magical Mystery Bead Box. This has actually been sitting in my house for a little while, and I just have not had time to get to it, so I'm so excited. I haven't been spoiled for it yet. Oh, okay. This one's called Down the Rabbit Hole. I feel like we've gotten Alice in Wonderland before from Jessie James Beads in prior years. Obviously not this year yet, but so let's see how it turns out. I know I've done some Dress It Up Buttons videos featuring Alice in Wonderland. So maybe that's what I'm thinking. I don't know. So this is all, we're all mad here. These are the things that are in the box. They always have some really cool branding. I'm just going to leave this here while we're looking at things. And let's get started. This one is, oh, I don't even know how to say that. I'm not even going to try. I'm not going to try because I don't know how to say it. Let's see what's in here. That's fun. Oh no. This broke. All right. Well, that stinks, but I am pretty sure I can just use some E6000 to fix it. I actually have some right here. All right. It's time for me to get some new glue for sure, because it took a while for me to get to some glue that wasn't completely just jelly. All right. And then I'm just going to try and, there's like a little square piece, try and stick that in the little square piece and hope that dries. It doesn't look like that's part of the structure, so like it's not like I would be hanging it from that portion, so it should be okay going forward. All right, let's take a look at what the mushrooms actually look like. They're super duper cute. I like that enamel look, and then the little white dots and that purple. So I'm going to set those aside, let that one dry for a little while. Then we have Alice, what's this called? I'm wondering if this is the bonus item, because it says hat pin set, charm pair, bead strand, cameo pendant, and this is not a cameo pendant. Is she a wildflower? Mini bead mix, mystery item. I'm guessing this is the mystery item, and I wonder what other people got this month. I don't know if this opens. It looks like it should open. Oh, it does. So it's like a scent pad. You could put whatever essential oils you like on it. It's cute little glitter with some gears. That one's almost like a flower. That would be fun to paint too. Mad Hatter hat pin set. So I'm wondering, you must be able to, oh, okay, so you put beads on here and then hold them in place with this like little earring stopper, and then this is the pin part, and then that's the part that holds the pin together. So that's interesting. We've never gotten that kind of component from them before. Is she a wildflower? Cute little purple mix. Love these big, see, like I love the vintage inspired bellflowers and stuff like that, because I used to sell a lot of jewelry that used these. These are super cute. This one has a little bit of a malformation. So if you have something like that, I don't really care, but there's like, you can use sanding, you can use sandpaper, you can use a Dremel, whatever. I'm just using my nippers, and you can't even tell that was a problem. Some pretty ovals. I love this purple. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love these. Look, they're little enamel bead caps. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Look at that vibrant blue with the purple. I'm in love with those. Those are amazing. It's my favorite part of the box so far. Then we have some impression jasper here. So impression jasper, or it's also I think called sea sediment jasper. It's man-made ish. So it's stones that are typically dyed and formed into a shape, like the ends of pieces that you can't typically use. They form into these beads. So it is stone, but it's man-made beads from stone pieces. I hope that makes sense. And then we've got some cute little flower bead caps. Some more flowers. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love those. Some frosted purple beads. some hexagons, some little rondelles. Is it two different finishes? No, it's the same finish. They're like half metallic. And then some little wheels. Those are cool. I don't know what else to call those. They're like flat rondelles, I guess. Flondels. Sorry, it's been a very long day. Some more hexagons. These are cute. Tiny. And then some teeny tiny, almost like large whole seed beads. That's a fun mix. I really, really enjoyed those enamel bead caps. Those were gorgeous. And it does give like that UV sense. Like it looks like this is like UV or in the middle of the night. These flowers are bright. It would not be an Alice in Wonderland strand without something that was black, white, and red. This one's Off With Their Heads strand. Look at these beautiful matte roses. I used to use those so much in my jewelry when I was selling in the late aughts. It's so weird to say that. But these are really cute. And they've got some rose balls. This really reminds me of the Queen of Hearts. I think, is she Queen of Hearts? I think so. Or is she Queen of Diamonds? I don't remember. But this is gorgeous. This is a really fun, gorgeous, oh, hearts, duh, here we go. Look at that fun charm. That's amazing. That is so cute. That is so cute. This box is so cute. And I'm not even like a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, but this is so adorable. This one's the White Queen. And then we've got a lot of metal. That's wonderful. I think, yeah, it just came off the backing. And look, there's like a little Cheshire cat there. But this is all metal, and it's just got some beautiful beads on it. We've got some bling balls. We've got like 1, 2, 3 different styles, 4 different styles of rhinestone ball beads. We've got some spacers, some metal. Oh, this one's got rhinestones in it. And then we've got a crystal. This is a cool strand. Look, these have heart. This one has hearts on it. Very cool metal strand. Love mixed metals. I'm a mixed metal girly. That's my new personality trait, I guess. And then we've got Tea Party Mix. Well, this says Tea Party, and then the list says Tea Time. So I'm guessing they're the same thing. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Look, this would be so cute on a little tea themed bracelet. Not even Alice in Wonderland themed, but tea themed. I have a lot of tea stuff, and I actually, it's funny, I never really drank tea until I was well into my 30s, and I really like it because I don't drink coffee. But this is so cute. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Tea time. Little teapot. Oh, look at these. They're little, I don't know, like little flowers. They almost look like little artichokes. Large hole beads. Oh my gosh, a pink one. How lucky am I? How lucky am I? I got my favorite color, which is turquoise, and my second favorite color, which is hot pink. And then yellow's so cute with it, all in one mix. So cute. Those are adorable. And then we've got some little crystal drops, crystal cube drops. Those are cool. Another tea time. Oh, and another one of those. Okay, so we had 2 of those, and then some drops. Well, these are adorable. Nice color too. We haven't seen that color yet. Some pretty yellow. I love when yellow is done right. Some yellows just don't look right when it comes to crystal. Some crackle beads. Some little tiny tassels, some table cut crystals, or the look of table cut crystals in turquoise. And then some barrels in a beautiful yellow clear. And then some bling balls, and these are multicolored. That's awesome. Cute, cute, cute mix. Oh, I love it. Those little teacups just made my day. So cute. I love this. Like even outside of the theme of Alice in Wonderland, I just love the beads that are in this box. Yay! And then You know what? This must have been the cameo, Wonderland cameo pendant. I'm wondering if I just got, I don't know, because I don't see a Wonderland cameo pendant in here. All right, and then we've got Down the Rabbit Hole. Look at these Harlequin or diamond pattern glass beads. Those are so awesome. That would look so great with this strand. And then we've got pearls. These are 8mm. We've got a little key. This would be cute if I painted like red. The thing is, I don't have red patina paint, so it would be really, I would have to use paint and then like some sealer or something. Some blue crystal rondelles. Some crystal barrels. Some bead caps. These are fun. They're like almost like a curved coin. Some rhinestone beads, rhinestone metal beads. Then we have some cute little playing card charms. Isn't that fun? I was worried, like coming into this box, I'm not a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, but this box is awesome. It's absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh, we finally got a rabbit. And it's not your typical like Mad Hatter and then whatever. This is so cute. And it's got little flowers all over the rabbits. This is adorable. And then we've got smaller crystal rondelles. These more wheels is what I'm calling those. I don't know what the right name is. And look, some aluminum red roses. This is adorable. And we've got some little clear seed beads. Whoever put this well, I'm sure several people designed these mixes and strands, but good job. Great job, even. So I'm going to go ahead and say that well, I don't know. Let's see what's in here, because this just says eat me. And I'm guessing this is the mystery item. It just says bonus mystery item. But I'm wondering, the tea time mix was also labeled as tea party on the actual mix. And then I don't see a cameo pendant, but we got this kind of pendant. So I'll check in with Jessie James Beads, just or maybe even if I watch their unboxing to see what happened there. But here's one of the mystery items. We've got the individual Alice in Wonderland buttons, and I can link some of the tutorials I've done with some of those buttons before. And then, ooh, Boo to You. Oh, I actually have this mix, but I didn't get to use it for Halloween. So I'm glad I have two of them for next year. But look, it's a really fun Halloween flavored Halloween themed mix. This is so cute. So cute. I'm so happy with this box. You know what? I'm going to do a giveaway. I recently have been very fortunate to hit 18 and 19,000 subscribers, and we're about to hit 20. So I want to do at least one giveaway before I get there. I have a past Jessie James Beads Magical Mystery Bead Box. I don't know what it is. It's still sealed, and I want to give it to somebody. So leave a comment and let me know what you would do with a random Magical Mystery Bead Box. I wish you luck. Stay tuned for Goldie. We'll be making some stuff with this gorgeous box. My favorite things, I have everything's my favorite things. The teapots, or no, the teacups, those enamel bead caps, this little queen thing, everything. I love this whole box. So stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And to win, leave a comment and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Look at that little tongue hanging out. It's because she's missing so many teeth now. You're so cute. Yeah, that little tongue. You're a cutie. We love you.